Hi there, a warm welcome to AFS Twists. Let's learn how to make spaghetti with meatballs the easiest and quickest way. Stick with me as we do this together. We're using 1 pound of ground lump and 1 pound of sweet ground Italian sausage. We'll put this in a mixing bowl. Add 5 minced garlic, black pepper, sea salt, grated Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, 1 large egg, and mix everything together. You may use any ground meat of your choice, but my personal favorite is a blend of the ground lump with the sweet Italian sausage. And one trick to getting tender meatballs is to avoid overworking your meats. Yes, this makes your meatballs extra juicy and soft. And whenever I have a craving for meatballs, I have just this specific one in mind. I'll be using my hands to make each one of these into a ball and then get ready to fry them. I'll place a pot over medium heat and add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll add in my meatballs. I'll saute until they are brown on all sides, or about 3 minutes on each side. And friends, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and kindly remember to hit that notification bell so that anytime we drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. I'll transfer these to a platter, and now it's time to begin our sauce. In the same pot, I'll add a cup of tomato paste and fry this for 2 minutes. I'll then add 1 diced large sweet onion and cook this for another minute. And it's time to add some ginger paste, 4 large minced garlic, 1 diced habanero for some heat, and then mix everything together. And as you can see, our sauce is coming together so beautifully. And it's time to add our tomato sauce, beef seasoning, freshly chopped basil, bay leaf, oregano leaves. Mix everything together. Cover this up on a medium heat. Allow these flavors to infuse for 5 minutes. These flavors are going to take our spaghetti sauce to the next level. I'll add my meatballs back into the pot as well as any accumulating juices and stirring to submerge my meatballs into the sauce. I'll then cover this up and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Now let's cook our pasta. In a pot, I'll add some water, add some salt, and put this to an aggressive boil. I'll add my spaghetti to this to cook for 4 to 5 minutes or until al dente. And I'm adding some olive oil to prevent my pasta from sticking together. And I'll be stirring this occasionally, and in 5 minutes this should be cooked. And now our pasta is cooked. I'll drain this without rinsing my pasta. I'll be combining my cooked pasta with my sauce. And I'll keep stirring this until the pasta is evenly coated. And this already looks so delicious. And our spaghetti and meatballs is cooked to perfection. And it's already time to serve and enjoy. I'll be adding some fresh basil for a pop of color and some flavor. And you are all invited to this dish. This tasted so delicious. Our spaghetti cooked to perfection. The meatballs were extra juicy inside, and all the flavors were just locked inside. Friends, you should definitely give this one a try. These meatballs were tender, tasty, and so flavorful. And thank you for staying with me on this delicious journey. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. If it's your first time here, you're so welcome to Efia's Twist. Kindly remember to subscribe, share, and like our videos. And until I see you guys in the next video, bye from Efia's Twist.